it puts them in a good flow.
They did not do a good job in that last game against Caloocan in terms of coming out strong in the third. But a totally different case, at least.
Pamboy gusto bawiin.
Malakas. Ahead, Formento, all alone. 5 straight points. Counter-attack galing sa Negros Hacienderos.
Ang ganda ng recognition doon ni Alatica. Touchdown sa kabilang panig kay Formento. Himpayan. That's clearly a foul. Excuse me, that was Alatica.
Doon si CJ, last second. Siyang magtitimon muna para sa Negros. Screen set by CJ Alatica. CJ, dump inside. 2 points for Jeremy Mahinay.
Even that basket.
Hindi nakita ni CJ. Gimpayan makes them pay. Tapping it in.
Naging second chance opportunity para sa Biñan.
Wakorba coming away with a steal. Gimpayan, one-hander, gumulong palabas. Formento, catch and shoot, free, bucket. Fading away over Pamboy Raimundo, top shot, Alatica with an offensive rebound, going right at J-Mark Gimpayan. That will roll through for CJ.
Walang problema. Alatica always strong with the basketball.
Pamboy,
Partially blocked.
by CJ Alatica. Mahinay, instead drives, short. Barba still, a lot of time, but Ingles picking his pocket. Counter steal though by Roakurva. Pinoy sa Wagi. Hand off to Roakurva. Pull-up jumper by Kenny is good. They needed that one.
There was a little hesitation. It was a miss, but that time a pull-up to his left. Here's Kenny. He's definitely comfortable of doing this.
Leaning in, banking that shot. Formento still in the ball game. Whipping a pass to Ray Bienes. Hindi handa para sa pasa na yun si Matt De Leon. Even last season, they've had close games. Their free throw line, had they made at least half of their free throws, it would have been a different story. Lastimosa though, swishing in that. 2 minutes remaining. Halos di na nakatingin sa ring doon si Chopit Soriano, but just flipping it up and in, plus a foul. It's the official sportsbook of the MPBL.
Just like how Ken described it, flipping it up and in.
Chopit Soriano over 2 defenders.
May konting silip. Not a good angle.
Lastimosa hops down the lane. Mabulak likes that shot. That's exactly why he knocks it down from around 18 feet.
Subito's wide open. He's been open since the offensive rebound.
Hindi nakita. Lastimosa will put it up and put it in from downtown.
Lastimosa says,
paubos ng oras sa ating third quarter. Scoring run. Massive. That's a 15-1 run before that basket.
see how he attacks the middle, that inside shoulder, and then goes for the drop step. It just puts.
3.4 remaining. Kaduyak gets the friendly bounce. Still an opportunity. Poypoy Yaktub turns on the Jets, puts up a three. Not even close, but